Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to get your verification code in Archero 2. And actually it's pretty easy and straightforward, so let me show you how to do it. Now first what you have to know is when is the verification code needed. It is needed whenever you are on the rewards page and you want to claim a reward. So let's go onto our browser. So go to your Chrome browser or any other browser on your phone, and then here you will find yourself on the rewards page of Archero. So you will be asked to provide the game ID, the rewards code, and the verification code. And as you may have noticed, in the verification code, there is a little image which says 7885. What is this image, you may ask? Well, it's a verification to see if you are not a bot. So you just need to fill in the verification code text box here with whatever is written on the image. In this case, it is 7885. Now, in case this image didn't load properly, just reload your page, and then here another image will be shown to you. In this example, it's very clear that it's 9418. So that's it, you just need to enter 9418 and redeem your reward, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.